I guess one would figure that it was unnecessary to state the obvious. But the change in bars here after the wreck was not a styling choice per se. And you can see here how this line goes up and down, and this motherfucker goes 2 to 6, or like 2 to 8, maybe even 9. I'm just fucking with you, but you can see it's cracked right there. But I mean, it took a pretty good hit. It'd be pretty cool for a lowrider bicycle. No, that's all she wrote.